Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Knowledge Circle. Today I will teach you all how to print a pattern in Java with the help of loop. Okay, so this is a pattern. You can see some star symbols are printed. Okay, so how to get this pattern printed on our screen, that we will learn today. Okay, so let's see how can we do that. For that we have to do what? Loop. We need to understand the concept of loop. What is the meaning of loop? Loop means repetition. Okay, there is a feature in Java and in other programming languages that is called loop. It will help us to use the code. We will reuse the code. We will reutilize the code with the help of the loop feature. For using the loop feature, we have three types of loop in Java. We have for loop, we have while loop, and we have do while loop. Okay, we will do this pattern work with the help of for loop. Okay, and in for also there is a concept of nested loop. There is a concept of nested loop. Okay, so with the help of that we will print it. So let's start and let's see how can we do that. Okay, for that we don't need to take any input. We need to understand the pattern first. This is what? Single star in one line, second line 2 times, in third line 3 times, in fourth line 4 times, and in the fifth line it is 5 times. Okay, this is the pattern. We have to guess the pattern. What is the pattern? How many lines are printed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and in first line 1 printed, second line 2 printed, third line 3 printed, fourth line 4 printed, and in the last line, the fifth line 5 printed. So let's understand this pattern and let's make. To make this program, we will start with the class. Let's make class star. Okay, okay. We don't need to have any input, so we don't need scanner classes. What we are going to do, we will have here public static void main. Public static void main, and then after what we write, whatever we write, that string args, that argument of the main function that we are going to mention here. So we will be writing here string, then after that args. Okay, let's begin it. To calculate this we need two variables. Okay, so that variables we will declare in the for loop itself. So let's begin it. First of all, what we are going to do here, we will write here for first loop. Let's understand, because how many lines we have to print? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 lines. Okay, so number of lines are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the loop will start int, one variable. First one I am taking I, begins with 1. Okay, then it should be lesser or equal to 5. How many times we have to run it? 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, next time I plus plus means increment. 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. Means this line will be done 5 times. After that, the loop. This is nested loop. Nested loop means a loop inside another loop is called nested loop. So this is second loop. What we will do here, let's declare another variable j. Let's start with 1. We will start with 1. This loop is responsible for only lines, number of lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this loop is responsible for printing j equal to 1. But 1, let's guess this pattern. In the first line 1 printed, in the second line 2 printed. So what we observe from here, we observe that the number of stars are according to the number of line. Line number 1, 1 star. Line number 2, 2 star. So this j should depend on I. So the maximum value of j should be equal to I. J should not be greater to I, because in second only 2, in third only 3. So it can't be more than that. J plus plus. This is condition. Okay, and after that we have to write what? System dot out dot print ln. After this we will be writing what? The star in double quotes. Okay. After this we will close it. And now which is closed? This one is closed. The inner loop is closed. Before closing the outer loop, we need to change the line, because when first is printed, then after for the second one we need to change the line. So let us erase some point, because we don't have enough space. So I am going to erase these lines. What we need to have these lines only. Very important lines are. Now I am going up and I am writing here that again what? System dot out dot print. And what we need to have? Only one blank line. This line is used to change the line. This statement is used to change the line. This is what? The closing of the outer loop. This is our program. Let's close main function. Let's close class. Okay, now let's understand how we are printing it. Okay, the printing pattern has to be understood. Our work is done, but we need to understand. int I equal to 1. Okay, condition is true. 1 is lesser than 5. Condition is true. If 1 is lesser than 5, go for the second loop. int j equal to 1. J is lesser than I or equal to I. What is the value of I? 1. What is the value of j? 1. 1 is equal to 1. Yes, condition is true. When the condition is true, system.out.print what? Star. One sign is printed. J plus plus. When j plus plus happens, it becomes how much? From 1 it becomes 2. 2 is lesser than 1. Condition is false. 2 is lesser than 1. Condition is false. Then loop will terminate. It will go up. Now I plus plus. I becomes 2. I 2, then 2 is lesser than 5. Condition true. Come down. J is 1. J is 1. J is lesser than I. What is the value of I now? 2. 1 is lesser than 2. Condition is true. System.out.print star. Print a star, because this line after that here will go and line will be changed. Next is j plus plus. J becomes 2. 2 is lesser than 2 or equal to 2. True. Yes, 2 is equal to 2. Then print star. A star is printed. J plus plus. J becomes 3. 3 is lesser than 2. Condition false. Go to system.out.print. Line change. Now we are here. The cursor is here. I plus plus. I becomes 3. Come down. Again j equal to 1. 1 is lesser than 3. Condition true. Print a star. Then j plus plus. 2. 2 is lesser than 3. Condition is true. 1 star. J plus plus. J becomes 3. 3 is equal to 3. True. Print a star. J becomes 4. J plus plus. J becomes 4. 4 is lesser than 3. False. Then goes to here. Line changes. Cursor comes here. I plus plus. I becomes 4. Come down. J equal to 1. 1 is lesser than 4. Condition true. Print a star. J plus plus. 2. 2 is lesser than 4. Print a star. Then j plus plus. 3. 3 is lesser than 4. Condition true. Print it. J plus plus. 4. 4 is lesser or equal to 4. Still condition is true. 4 time printing done. J plus plus. 5. 5 is lesser than 4. Condition false. Go. Change the line. I plus plus. I becomes 5. J equal to 1. J is lesser than 5. Then same process we will go 5 times. And when it becomes 6, condition gets false. And when it goes line changes, then it goes I plus plus 6. I should be lesser or equal to 5. What is the condition? I should not be more than 5. When I become 6, loop gets terminated and program gets over and you get this pattern. So this is how we do this star printing pattern. Thank you everyone. If this video is useful to you, share and subscribe. Thank you. like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest